Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. It's great to see you here. Today, I'm diving into something that's been getting a lot of buzz lately, a brand new tool called Royalty Profits AI. If you've ever wanted to make passive income through Amazon KDP but didn't know where to start, this might just grab your attention. Royalty Profits AI is a web-based app combined with step-by-step training that helps you automate the process of creating and publishing books on Amazon. What makes it stand out is how simple it is to use. You just connect your AI API key, enter a few details like your book topic, tone, and target audience, and the software automatically generates chapters, descriptions, keywords, and even pricing suggestions. It's like having your own digital publishing assistant working behind the scenes. The app also includes tools to format your book for KDP, research profitable niches, and even insert affiliate links inside your ebooks to add another income stream. On top of that, there's a complete training library showing you exactly how to go from setup to your first published book. What's impressive is how much you get for the price. The front-end package starts at just $27, and that includes both the software and the training. There are also optional upgrades if you want more features like keyword research, cover design tools, or even done-for-you book packages. I think Royalty Profits AI could be a great fit for anyone who wants to start publishing without spending weeks writing or hiring freelancers. It takes care of the heavy lifting while you focus on growing your book portfolio and building steady royalty income. So if you've ever dreamed about earning from your own books, now might be the perfect time to give this a try. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one.